Hello everyone, my name is Sophy Henn and I have written and illustrated Lifesize Creepy Crawlies for World Book Day 2023. And I'm here to tell you about my favourite book when I was little. And that is actually this actual book. This is the actual book I had when I was little. And it's Cops and Robbers by Janet and Alan Allberg. And my mum used to read this to me at bedtime. And I loved it. I loved the scandalous behaviour of the naughty robbers. I loved the bravery of, where is he? There he is, Officer Pugh. He's not having a good time there, but it does get, it's okay in the end, I promise. I loved the naughty Nana, Grandma Swag. And also throughout the book there's the repeat of ho ho for the robbers, the cops and the robbers ho ho. And I loved that because even though I couldn't read, it made me feel like I could join in with this book. So there it is, Cops and Robbers by Janet and Alan Allberg. Bye.